how do you increase the subtitle size on YouTube on mobile? Okay, so if it's on Android, you go into subtitle settings. So you don't set it in YouTube itself. You go into manage subtitle settings and then go down to here, change default size and style of captions. So you want to go into settings, tap on your profile picture on mobile, then settings, captions, caption size and style. That's on Android. How do we do it on iPhone? Let me show you on an iPhone because I've got an iPhone. Here's how to increase the subtitle size. It's in accessibility. Let me show you. On an iPhone or an iPad, you go into your settings app, and then go to accessibility. Just here, accessibility. And then we want to go into the hearing section. Scroll down there and you can see subtitles and captioning. Subtitles and captioning just there. And we want to click on style, and this allows you to change the style and the size of your font. And so you can go over here, you can go to style, you can create a new style, you can go for large text, you could have a transparent background. I want large text. I could create a new style for that matter and make the font a different font if I want. And then go back and you can make the size extra large if you like. Okay? And now you can enjoy YouTube with bigger captions.